Class 9. First, write this formula: area of 4 walls of a room. Area of 4 walls of a room. Now see class 10, you all live in room only. Okay. So room is always cuboid in shape. But cuboid is not in your syllabus right now. It is in class 10. But you have to know only this formula when they will give you area of 4 walls of a room, then formula is 2L plus B into H. I am telling you why. Suppose that this is our floor. Floor means this is our floor. Okay, base. It always in this shape means rectangle in shape. Sometimes it is square in shape also. But if you can see this one 2L plus B into H here, this one is floor. It means if length is L, then breadth is B. Okay. After using this one, we can make one cuboid which is like this, and we all know that there is nothing but shape of a room. Okay, it is all shape, or mainly all the rooms are cuboid in shape. So in this one we have two things. One first is floor and one is this one. Okay, this saving one means height one and one is floor. Floor means base. So whenever this type of question will come, that area of 4 walls is this, or find the area of 4 walls, you will use this formula 2L plus B into H. Okay. Now in question number 10, please come to question number 10, exercise 15.1, exercise 15.1, question number 10. In question number 10, it is given the area of 4 walls of a room is 42 square meter. So area of a 4 walls. Area of 4 walls of a room equals to 42 square meter. Okay. So area of floor, it means that 2L plus B into H equals to 42. Okay. So next thing is this. Area of floor is 12 square meter. Area of floor. Area of floor equals to 12 square meter. Now class 9, see this one. If this one is your floor, floor means the base, it will always rectangle in shape. It means L and B will present. It means that in place of area of floor, you can write L into B equals to 12. Again I am telling you why. Area of floor means base, and base always rectangle in shape. Okay. When we are thinking about area of 4 walls of a room. Okay, in a room area of floor always L into B. One more thing is given to you. Read the question. Let us write by calculating the height of room if the length of room is 4 meter. Length of room is already given to you. So length is given to you. How much I am writing here? You can write anywhere. I am writing in place of length. You can write 4. B equals to 12. Why I am writing? 3 things are given to you. Area of 4 walls of a room is 42 square meter. Area of floor is 12 square meter. And L equals to given to you. Length equals to 4 meter. Okay, 3 things are given to you. Now to find the height, they are telling you find the height. Height means you have to find height from here, but you need L and B. L is already given to you, which is 4 meter. But B you don't know. For this reason, you have to use area of floor equals to 12 square meter. And area of floor always which shape? Rectangle in shape. That is why L into B equals to 12. That is why in place of area of floor I am writing L into B. Length is 4. Breadth you will write as it is equals to 12. Length why 4? Because length is given 4 meter. Now after this, B equals to 12 by 4. 12 by 4, why? Because this 12 will come down. So you have to divide 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. B you are getting how much? 3 meter. Now you know that area of 4 walls of a room is given how much? 42. See, area of 4 walls of a room is given 42 square meter. So you can write 42 square meter. Now formula of area of 4 walls of a room. Formula of area of 4 walls of a room is 2L plus B into H equals to 42. Now length is how much? 4 and breadth you are getting 3 into H equals to 42. Understood up to here what I am trying to tell you? Now I am rubbing this portion of the formula. Okay, after this please come here. So when you will solve 2, 4 plus 3, 7 into H equals to 42. Now H you will write 42 by 2 into 7 you will write, because this 2 and 7 will come down. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. It means that height you are getting, H is height, so height you are getting how much? 3 meter. So you will write height equals to 3 meter. I am writing answer here. Answer, height is 3 meter. Again I am repeating, area of 4 walls of a room is given 42 square meter, area of a floor is given 12 square meter and length is given 4 meter. So area of floor always which shape? Base. Base is rectangle in shape. So in place of area of floor I can write L into B, because area of rectangle is L into B. Length is already given which is 4. 4 into B equals to 12. Now this 4 will go down. B equals to 12 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So B equals to 3 meter. Area of 4 walls of a room equals to 42 square meter. It is already given. So area of 4 walls formula is 2L plus B into H equals to 42. L value is 4, B value is 3. So 4 plus 3 you will get how much? 7. So that is I am writing 2 into 7 into H. Now this 2 and 7 will come down. 2 ones are 2, 2 21s are 42. Again 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So H value you are getting, height is 3 meter. Okay, so it's very simple and easy. Please do it. Class 9C question number 11. Sujata will draw a rectangular picture on a paper with area 84 square centimeter. So in the first statement, the first type is given, Sujata will draw a rectangular picture. Which type of picture? Rectangular picture on a paper with area 84 square centimeter. So area is given, area of rectangular picture is how much? 84 square centimeter. Understood? Now after this it is written, the difference of length and breadth of a paper is 5 centimeter. So difference of length and breadth. Difference of length and breadth. How much? 5 centimeter. What is the meaning of difference? Difference means there will be a subtraction sign. And length and breadth means L minus B is given how much? 5 centimeter. Class 9, try to understand properly. It is given difference of length and breadth equals to 5 centimeter. It means that difference means minus sign between length and breadth. It is given how much? 5 centimeter. Understood up to here? Now from here what I will do, I will take minus B that side, so it will become, now what will happen class 9, I am taking this minus B this side, it will become plus B. So L value I am getting 5 plus B, I am taking this minus B this side, so it will become plus B. Now area already given how much? 84 square meter. Okay, centimeter. Now area formula, rectangular area formula, rectangular region area formula is L into B, which is equals to 84. In place of L, you can write 5 plus B because I am finding L value. So L equals to 5 plus B. You can write here 5 plus B into B equals to 84. Now class 9, this B will multiply with 5 as well as this B will multiply with B. 5 into B, you will get 5B plus B into B, you will get B squared equals to 84. Now you have to arrange this one. First you will write B square, then you will write plus 5B equals to 84. Okay. After this what you will do, this plus 84 will come here, it will become minus 84. So you will write minus 84 equals to 0. Okay. After this what you will do, you have to take middle term factor. Okay. It means that you have to take LCM of 84 and with subtraction you must get 5 and multiplication you will get 84. So first what you will do, you will take LCM. Take LCM. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So you are getting 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. Now you need 5, minus 5. Why minus 5? Because there is a minus sign. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12. When you are multiplying this 3, you are getting 12. And here you have minus 7. So 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 you will get how much? 5. So if you will do 12 minus 7 you will get 5. And if you will multiply 12 into 7 you will get 84. Because 12 into 7 will give you 84. So what we will do in middle term, in bracket we will write like this, and in place of 5 what we will write? 12 minus 7. So 12 minus 7. So B square plus 12 into B, 12B, plus minus 7 into B, 7B, minus 84 equals to 0. Okay. Now after this, I am rubbing this portion. We have to take common from this 2. So B we can take common, B will left, and from here if we will take B common, 12 will left. Now from here, say minus 70 minus 84. I have to take minus common. If I am taking minus common, minus 7 common. 7 you can take common. If you will take 7 common, this minus sign will change to plus, because whenever you will take minus sign common, minus sign common, sign will change. Okay. So if you are taking 7 common, B will left. Okay. And if you are taking 7 from here common, what will left? If you don't know, please divide it. 7 division, 84, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So how much you will left? If you will take 7 common, 12 will left. So 12 you will write equals to 0. Okay. Now you can see class 9. In this one, inside the bracket you have same thing. You will write 1 time B plus 12. And what is left? B minus 7. So you will write B minus 7 equals to 0. Okay. Now you have to do either or. So you will write either B plus 12 equals to 0 or B minus 7 equals to 0. So from here you will get plus B will come this side, it will become minus 12, or minus 7 will come this side, it will become plus 7. So which value you will take? Class 9, you will take 7 because with 12 we have minus sign. Minus sign is not possible if you are taking any side, because side will also always positive. So what you will write? We will not take B equals to minus 12 as it is negative. Okay. Therefore, B equals to 7. So we are taking B equals to 7. Now class 9 see, if B is equals to 7, what will be L? From here we can find L value. L equals to, L is how much? 5 plus B. First write 5 plus B. Now L equals to 5 plus 7. It means L value will get 7 plus 5, 12. Write centimeter. So B value you are getting 7. At that time L value you are getting how much? 12 centimeter. After this I am rubbing this portion. You have to find perimeter. They are telling you to find perimeter. So let us calculate the perimeter of Sujata. So perimeter formula is perimeter equals to 2L plus B, because paper is in which shape? Rectangular shape. So 2, length is 12, breadth is 5, 7, breadth is 7. So please add this one and tell me how much you are getting. I have to rub this portion also, otherwise I will not be able to do this one. So 2 into 7, 19. 2 into 19 will give you 38 centimeters. So this one is your answer. What you will write in the last? That perimeter of rectangular paper is 38 centimeter. Okay, please write. I am writing. Perimeter of rectangular paper is 38 centimeter. Okay, complete this one. Class 9. Class 9, see question number 12. First read the question. There is some mistake in question number 12. There is a 2.5 meter wide path around a square garden. If in your book it is written rectangular garden, please cut rectangular, and in place of rectangular please write square garden. Okay, if it is written. Okay, in my book I have done correction, so please you can do also if it is written wrong. So question is, there is a 2.5 meter wide path around the square garden of Shiraz. So there is a 2.5 meter wide path around the square garden of Shiraz. The area of path is 165 square meter. Let us calculate the area of garden and length of diagonal. Now question is, there is 2.5 meter wide path around the square garden of Shiraz. So which type of garden is this? This is square garden. So first I am making one square shaped garden. Okay, and outside there is path, and path is 2.5 meter wide. Okay, and one more thing is given, that area of the path. Area of the path means these four, this one, this one, this one and this one. Area of the path is already given. How much? 165 meter square. Now they are saying that find the area of the garden and diagonal. Okay, so area of the garden. Now see class, this is your garden, this is your garden, and outside there is a path which is 2.5 meter wide. Okay, but we don't know what is the side of the garden. We know, we don't know. So what we will do, let the side of the garden be x meter. Means I am taking this side x meter, this is also x, this is also x, and this is also x. Why? Because it is square in shape, and in square all sides will be equal. If I am writing let the side of a garden be x, it means that all sides will be x. Okay, if side is x, what will be its area? Therefore area of the garden equals to, what is the formula for area? Side square, it means x square meter. Understood class 9? Because I am taking side as x, and formula of area of garden. Garden is square in shape, and formula is side is square, it means x square meter. Understood up to here? Now this garden is surrounded by a path, and path length is 2.5 meter. So what we will write? Width of the path equals to how much? 2.5 5 meter. Now, if I have to find this one is x, this one is x, this one is x, this one is x. If I have to find length of the garden with path, means up to here this one is x, but here and here it is extra because path is there. So what we will do? What we will write? Side of the garden with path. Means we are including path also. We know that side of the garden is x. From this point to this point it is x. Now both sides it is increased by 2.5 meter. Here also 2.5 meter. Understood class 9? So both sides it is increased by 2.5 meter. Means we have to add that 2.5 from both the sides to get the side of a garden with path. Okay, so side of the garden with path. Side of the garden is how much? X, and path is both the side 2.5. Here also it is also how much? 2.5 meter. So what you will do? 2.5 plus 2.5. Understood class 9? What I am doing? I am finding side of the garden with path, and both side path is 2.5 and 2.5. So we have to add 2.5 both the sides to find this side, to find from this point to this point. Understood? Now you will get how much? Side you will get x. 2.5 plus 2.5 will give you 5. So side you are getting x plus 5 meter. Now area of garden with path. With path means path is included. So if you know area formula is side square, and area and side of garden with path is how much? X plus 5. So I will write x plus 5 whole square. Okay. So formula a plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab, 2ab plus b square means 5 square. How much you will get? X square plus 2 5s are 10, 10x, 5 square will give you 25. Understood up to here class 9? Write meter square here, write meter square here also. Okay? Here also meter square, because we are finding area. Understood up to here? Now one more thing they have given you, that area of the path, only area of the path is 165 meter square. I am rubbing this portion. Okay, I am doing here. Area of the path is given how much? 165 meter square. Now what is given to you? Area of the path is given to you. Means only this part area is given to this one. Okay, so if you will see the diagram properly, you can see this one is how we will find area of the path. We can write area of garden with path minus area of garden equals to 165. Why? You can ask me why. So area of garden with path means full area we are getting. Means full area we are getting. And area of garden means this one. So class 9, if I will subtract this full area with this small garden, we will get area of the path. So that is why I am writing area of garden with path minus area of garden, which is given 165 meter square. Now I have to log, otherwise I will not be able to do. So area of garden with path is how much? Area of garden with path is x square plus 10x plus 25 minus area of garden is how much? X square. Area of garden is x square equals to 165. Okay. Pause the video and please copy up to here. Okay. Because I have to rub, otherwise I will not be able to do the sums. Now this one. We will open the bracket x square plus 10x plus 25 minus x square 165. Now you can see x square minus x square will cancel out. 10x 165 plus 25 will go that side, will become minus 25. It means that 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 2 4 1. X equals to 140 by 10. Now 0 0 will cancel. So x value you are getting how much? 14 meter. They are telling you to find area of the garden. Okay. So area of the garden is x square. Area of garden is how much? X square meter square. So x you are getting 14. So you can square this one, 14 meter square. How much you will get? 14 square will give you 196 meter square. Okay. If you don't know, please multiply like this. You will get 196. Okay. Now one more thing they are telling you to find diagonal. So diagonal formula is root 2 into side, or root 2a or a root 2, anything you can write. So root 2 side is 14. So you can write 14 root 2 meter. So two answer they are telling you to find area of garden. We are getting 196 meter square and diagonal we are getting 14 root 2. Okay. Go through the question and again class 9. It is not so easy to understand one time. Okay. So please copy this one and go through question as well as solution more than one time. Class 9, see question number 13. First read the question properly. Let us try by calculating that how much length of wall in meter is required for walling outside round the square field. Let us try by calculating that how much length of wall is in meter is required for walling outside round the square field. Whereas the length of diagonal of a square line is 20 root 2. So what they are telling you to do, you have to calculate how much length of wall. Okay, length of wall means you have to calculate perimeter, because length of wall means it is what? Boundary, and if it is square in shape it will be like this. So we have to calculate boundary, means perimeter. And one more thing is given to you, that is diagonal. So diagonal of square field is given how much? 20 root 2 meter. Okay. Now length of a square field, diagonal of a square field. What is the formula for diagonal of a square field? In the last question you have done root 2 into side. So in this place, diagonal of a square field, you can write root 2 into side equals to 20 root 2. Now from here you will get side, which is 20 root 2 by this root 2 will come down. So you will get root 2 will cancel out. Side equals to how much you will get? 20 meter. So you will get 20 meter as a side. If you are getting 20 meter as a side, you can find perimeter easily of a square. So what you will write? Length of wall. Length of wall. It means perimeter. You can write within the bracket perimeter. Formula is 4 into side, or 4a you can write. So 4 and side is how much? 20. So 80 meter. Okay. So first part completed. So length of wall is how much? 4 into side, 4 into 20, 80 meter. Now in the second part they are telling you to find. Let us try by calculating how much cost will be for planting grass at the rate of rupees 20 per square meter. See, square meter properly. Square meter means first you have to find area, because we know that when we use square, when we are finding area, suppose that we are finding area 20, so we will write 20 square meter. So they are telling to find the total cost. Okay, find the total cost for planting grass at the rate of rupees 20 per square meter. 20 per square meter means first you have to find area. So what you will do here? Area equals to, you know the formula, side square, and side is how much? 20. So you will write 20 square. You will get 400. 20 square will give you 400 meter square. Now they are telling to find the total cost. So first what you will write? Cost, total cost for planting grass. Total cost for planting grass at rate how much? 20 per square meter. At rate rupees 20 per square meter. What you will do? You will multiply this 20 with this area. So how much will get? 2 4 the 8, 3 So this is total cost. Okay. So first what we are doing? First using diagonal we are finding side. When we are finding side, length of wall means boundary. Boundary means perimeter. We are finding perimeter 4 into side, 4 into 20, 80. Now they are telling to find the total cost for planting grass at the rate of rupees 20 per square meter. Per square. Seeing this square, I have to find area. So area equals to side square means 20 square. So 20 square will give you 400. So total cost for planting grass at the rate, okay, rupees 20 per square meter, 20 into 400, 8,000. Okay, so please complete this one. Class 9, your homework is exercise 15.1, question number 14, 15, 16. And if you have any queries regarding any question, please mail me in the given email ID nilufer.sma@outlook.com. Okay, thank you.